Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily planner in Asana. This is a fantastic way to organize your tasks throughout the day and stay on top of your priorities with a clear, structured approach. First, open your web browser and log into your Asana account at asana.com. Once you're logged in, you'll want to look for the plus new project button. You'll typically find this on the left sidebar or at the top of the project section. Click on it to begin setting up your daily planner. When the options appear, select Blank Project to start with a clean slate, giving you full control over how you structure your day. Next, you'll be prompted to name your project. Type something like Daily Planner so it's easy to identify. For the layout, choose List as it provides a straightforward task list view that's perfect for tracking daily activities. Once you've made your selections, click Create Project to open your new daily planner. Now comes the organizational part. Click Add Section to create time-based sections that will divide your day. For example, you might create sections labeled morning, afternoon, and evening. This structure helps you visualize when tasks should be tackled and keeps your day well organized. Under each section, click plus Add Task to start entering your daily tasks or appointments. For each task you add, click on the task name to open its details. Here, you'll want to set a due date by clicking the calendar icon and selecting today's date. This ensures your tasks are properly prioritized for the current day. If you're working solo, use the assignee field to assign tasks to yourself, which keeps everything clear in your workspace. To take your daily planner a step further, click Add Custom Field at the top right. This allows you to add fields like priority levels or status indicators, giving you even more control over how you organize your tasks. You can then use the due date and priority filters to sort your tasks by urgency and importance, ensuring nothing critical slips through the cracks. At the start of each day, make it a habit to update your daily planner. Add new items as they come up, adjust priorities as needed, and mark completed tasks by simply clicking the checkbox next to each task. This keeps your planner current and helps you maintain momentum throughout the day. And there you have it, a fully functional daily planner in Asana that keeps your day structured and your tasks organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.